Alright, I've got the one side in. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. We're going to go ahead and install the spacer. And we'll go ahead and put the bearing in here. So that completes the bearing installation. Unfortunately, the kit that I had got did not come with the correct seal, so I'm going to have to procure another seal for it, but not a big deal. That will come out later, but at least now I can remove the O-ring that seals the other part that goes to this. This is a two-part drive system. The sprocket is on another housing that fits on top of this. So got a new O-ring on it, so that will go ahead and seal that part of it. I'm going to go ahead and change the bearing in the outdrive unit as well. Alright, for you guys that haven't seen this before, this is the cushion drive unit for a CT90. This one's partially disassembled. This is a unit that I got in a pile of parts. Basically, there are 4 bolts that holds this hub assembly on, and it's bolted from the back side of it. This particular one doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape. Shit, I might even say new. Yeah, no, there's like no marks where the chain went. It's set outside a little bit, so it looks a little crusty, but it should work. Let's go ahead and see if we can. So what I'm trying to do here is there's a spindle that runs through the middle of it. We're going to knock that spindle out, like so. And it leaves a bearing there. And this little cap right here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, the seal that I do have is good for the one side. Okay. That is the right seal for that side of it. It's the seal for the other side of it that's incorrect. Okay. We'll go ahead and knock this one out. Oh, I think it goes out that way. Yep. Alright, this one is going to need a little bit more. We're going to take this to the vise. Alrighty, we have the holder. We're got that mounted in the vise. We're going to knock the bearing out of it. There with the seal, there with the bearing. So that worked out quite nice. Let's go ahead and put that bearing in. And that is the bearing fully seated. We'll go ahead and pop this here seal in. And that's about the best way I've ever seen to put a seal in. Alright, this is a 6303 2RS bearing. The seal is a 26 by 47 by 7 double lip seal. So that completes basically the pushing the bearings into the cushion drive unit. So we'll be reassembling this rear wheel, putting a tire and tube and all that good stuff on it, and keep on going with the project, slowly but surely. Thanks everybody for watching.